More lit LEDs indicates a better signal strength, with 3 or more LEDs lit up indicating a good signal. The number of LEDs decreases when the distance between the two devices is far or there is an obstacle between them. With the number of status LEDs, you will know where to place the device in the house. The device has an Ethernet port in case your room has a cable connection to the main router. Cable connection for a stable connection and not affected by walls. You set up access point mode in case you use a cable connection. The default wireless network has no password. On the first connection to the device, you are redirected to the setup page. The username and password are both admin. You are asked to create a new password during the first setup. The default IP address is 192.168.0.254. In access point mode, you use tplinkrepeater.net to access the device. If your device is installed in a bedroom, I recommend scheduling turn off the LEDs. The device operates normally even without any LEDs on. The LEDs automatically turn on the next morning. For example, the lights turn off at 10 p.m. and turn on at 8 a.m. And here is the reset button. Press and hold until all lights turn off. The device will be returned to factory settings. Thank you for watching. Good luck.